Welcome back. Now, for the sake of the video, we did not finish the entire process of publication for our paperback book. However, we are able to see a link that is going to be of relevance to us. And that is that you'll see that there's a link here that says Create Kindle Ebook. What you're going to do here is you're going to click that link. And the first screen is going to be just like the paperback screen. We're going to walk through this process. We're then going to click Save and Continue. When you get to this page, you are going to need to upload a specific file type. And we can do either Word, Doc, or DocX. We can do text files or PDFs. And just like the paperback, we're going to go through the same process. We're going to upload our ebook manuscript here. And then we can either upload a cover that we already have, or we can create a new cover with the Kindle ebook cover creator. And once we've completed this, we'll click Save and Continue, and then we'll have a companion guide to our paperback book in the Kindle version in the Kindle store. So what we've done now is we've now made ourselves available in the Kindle store as well as in Amazon in general through the paperback. And we're giving the same content in our video more exposure to more people and giving ourselves the opportunity to showcase our existing business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.